about to make some cotton candy moonshine. Bring your pot of water to a boil. 2 gallons of water to a boil in your pot. 6.5 pounds of sugar.
Nice smooth pour. Look at that.
Watch this. Sloppy ass pouring.
Yeah, mine was smooth.
Fuck y'all smooth.
It was smooth. You like a grizzly bear.
I am.
Trying to rip the salmon in half.
We got 4 gallons of water, and we're gonna add our 2 gallons of cotton candy. Ow, motherfucker.
Burnt that arm.
Perfect.
Yeah, there'll be plenty of headspace. All right, we're gonna let this cool down to about 95 degrees, and then we're gonna pitch our daty.
Tablespoon and a little extra with some daty yeast. Then you want to take your spoon, stir it up really good.
We're gonna let that sit for 2 weeks. Oh, that's gonna be some good shit right there, man.
Oh yeah, that's better than fucking the best Kool-Aid ever in the world right now. Cotton candy flavored liquid. All right, 2 weeks. Put your lid and airlock on it. Wait 2 weeks.
You got any water? Numbers at the top.
Yeah. All right, now we're gonna put this in the still. We're gonna distill it. Whew. We got cotton candy wine. We're gonna siphon it in there.
Hold that right there. See that skill?
Yeah, you're good at sucking on things, that's for sure.
Why do you think they call me Big Easy? Oh, that's heavy. Ain't bad, we fooled about here. Should run pretty good. So this piece right here was made by Flatlander Stills. So if you want to get a keg still set up, check him out on Facebook. These are real efficient, easy to use. Get good and tight. We're going to use a Liebig condenser, which is a pipe in a pipe, also known as a jacket condenser. And we're just going to let that hang there until we get our water lines hooked up, and then we'll put it in the spot it's supposed to be. Remember, you want to hook your water in on the bottom. That way it pushes it up, fills up that whole tube, because if you put it in the top, it won't fill that tube and condense properly. All right, now she's good and tight. We're just gonna let it heat up and wait.
All right, she's starting to produce some liquid, so we're gonna collect 250 milliliters. This is the heads. Then we're gonna toss that out, throw another jar on, get some shine.
All right, we got 250 milliliters of heads. Poison. We're gonna swap it out. Start catching our hearts. Throw that away, don't drink it.
All right, so I got 3 quarts out of that before I cut it off. And first quart was 120 proof. It went down after that. I cut it off once it got to about 85 proof. I'm thinking I should have added another 3 or 4 pounds of that sugar.
When next time we do something new, we'll get a starting gravity so we know our potential and figure out how much sugar to put in it.
But I mean, it still turned out good. There's starting out, there's just clean, like
Super clean, shine.
super clean, and then that sweetness comes, and then you'll get that cotton candy after the heat goes away a little bit.
It's got a good nose. You smell the vanilla on the nose.
Yeah, that
And-
flavor's pink vanilla is what they call that cotton candy flavor.
And once the heat dies down, you get that cotton candy on your lips.
Yeah, that's good shit.
I'd do it again.
Yeah, I'm gonna add more sugar next time. It is really good though. If you're not a big fan of the corn, things like that, the sugar shine's pretty damn good, and cotton candy's even better.
And we might give this another go with a sugar wash and cotton candy alcohol and a thump keg and try it again.
Yeah, you can always flavor your,
Yeah.
your shit with the thump keg. We haven't done a thump keg video yet. We
That's
will,
coming.
But I think this is excellent. This is really good shit.
Where's my jar? I'm taking it home.
But I don't know what else to say except for if you try it, use 3 containers of sugar instead of 2.
Maybe 4.
And fuck your mama, bitch!